Right now, I'm in the heart of Johannesburg, Main Street and Fox Street. And honestly, this place is something else. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. A lot of people call them wagons, but these are actually carts, old mining carts. Back in the day, when Johannesburg was starting out, they were used to transport gold. That's why Johannesburg is also known as a city of gold. And what I love about this place is the vibe. It's calm, it's clean, it's well kept. You don't really get this kind of feeling everywhere in the city. So you can actually walk around, take pictures, enjoy the space without feeling any rushed or pushed. So this is very historic. If you want to come to Johannesburg, don't forget to come to Main Street and see for yourself. This is beautiful. This is calm, you know. And right here is one of the old Standard Bank buildings, one of the early skyscrapers in Johannesburg. And imagine the history in that building alone. This whole area basically tells the story of how the city was built. And there's machines and sculptures around here. They are here to preserve the memories and history of this Johannesburg that we all love. And I really love walking around here because I feel like this is well kept and nothing is really, bothering you when you are here. You just walk around and see these things. So I really love the government for actually taking care of this, of places like this actually. And also, I'd like to thank each and every person that has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd love to be your friend, and also like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are aware next time I drop. So let's just walk around and see what is really happening around Main Street. And today is the 16th of April 2026. This is how it looks, still maintained, still looking good. So yeah.